guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Macari's Cakes here, and I'm super glad to have you all here on my channel once again. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I see you guys, and if you're a new subscriber watching me for the first time, thank you so much for joining this family. You are welcome. Please guys, feel free to like this video after watching it. Even you can like it right away. You don't have to wait till you get to the end part of the video before you can now like it. Just like it right away, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay, based on my last video, I want to say thank you guys so much for all your congratulatory messages. I see all of them. Thank you so much. Okay guys, in this video I will share with you all how you can make a good revenue monthly as a baker. But before I proceed, please, I'm sure you've started seeing ads on my videos, right? This is because I'm monetized already. So please, I want to beg you guys, when you see these ads, please kindly watch it. I beg you. Please, I beg you. At least there are some ads that are 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Just try and watch it. It's going to help my channel grow. That's how I'm going to get paid. Anyway guys, so like I said in this video, I'll be teaching you all how you can earn like a good 6 figures monthly as your monthly revenue. Yes, so if it's something you're really interested to watch, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the video to the end. Welcome back guys. Number one tip I want to share here is try to sell some affordable items. We all know how the cake business is now. Things are really expensive, materials are really expensive. It's on the high side, and you know, customers are now beginning to complain that cakes are expensive. Some will say your price is too much, and they forget that, you know, raw materials in the market is nothing to write about at the moment. So as a Nigerian baker, one tip I want to share with you, just so as for you to get revenue on a monthly basis, is try to sell some affordable items. See guys, trust me, I'm speaking with you right now from experience. Okay, try to sell some affordable items that can move fastly for you. And when I mean affordable items, I'm referring to stuff like, you know, cake parfait, cake slices, cake loaves, dessert bowls. I don't know if you can see these pictures here on my right or left, right? So try to sell these things. Trust me, it's going to help your revenue. It's going to help your monthly revenue as a Nigerian baker. Okay, you can sell banana bread, you know, all those things. It helps a lot, even though you've not been able to sell or bake custom cakes for that month. But by the time you start selling a mix of all this, trust me, you're going to make money. There was one particular month like that. I didn't really make much money on custom cakes, but guys, guess what? I made a very good clean 6 figures selling just banana bread, cake parfait, dessert bowls, and cake loaves. You know, all these baked products that we sell for 2,500, 3,000, 3,500. That's for in Nigeria. 3,500, 2,500, 2,000. You know, I was selling a mix of all these things, and I got 6 figures as my monthly revenue aside selling custom cakes. So what am I trying to say? Look for affordable baked product that you can sell to people. Like I used to tell my students, I always say that it's very easy or easier for customers or people to bring out 3,000 naira and buy cake slices or cake loaf or banana bread. They can easily buy like 3 from you or 4 from you. You know, that money to them is small. So by the time you understand the way they reason, trust me, you're going to make money from selling all these things. You don't have to, don't see it as something that you might not make money. No, if you have good customer base, if you know that, if you trust your product, trust me guys, you're going to make money from it. How about us talking about, you know, selling some budget friendly cakes? Trust me guys, all this thing works. There are some customers that cannot afford the high expensive cakes. How about, you know, building out budget friendly cakes that will help you with your monthly revenue? Okay, if you are selling custom cakes of 30,000 naira, that's if you're in Nigeria, 40,000 naira, you can, you know, consider those that, you know, living, you know, will I use the word slums? I don't know, but at least consider people that are within that range. You mustn't sell custom cakes to them, because you and I know that they might not be able to afford it. You can look for cakes of 10,000, 12,000 naira. It is all you have to do is sit down and do your costing properly, and trust me guys, you definitely arrive to a cost like that. So if you're always complaining of no sales, I'm not seeing a good monthly revenue from my business, consider selling this minimal affordable baked products like cake parfait. You can sell for 2,000. You can sell for 1,500, 17,000. We have cake slices of 2,000. We have banana bread of 2,000, 2,500, 3,000. You can sell different varieties of banana bread. And guys, you need to understand that these people feel like eating something. They might not want to be eating big cakes. At times they might feel like going to their fridge to eat something. So guys, you need to think of all these things. This thing will help you to build your monthly revenue into 6 figures. Not only selling just custom cakes. Custom cakes are good, but in a point at a business whereby you're not getting such orders, you can think outside the box and sell these things. Most customers like to keep their mouth busy, or some customers, they like to eat all these sweet tooth things. So when you understand all these things, you now have to tell yourself, okay, let me start creating product, because like I said before, it's easier for somebody to bring out 2,000 naira and buy small cake. Oh yes, trust me. And also see it as you're also marketing your custom cakes, because when they buy these things of 2,000, 3,500, 1,800, 17,000, you are even making them to look further, or you are making them to have you in mind by ordering custom cakes from you. So guys, that's what I want to share with you guys in this video. Also, how about considering how to sell yogurts? I sell yogurt, guys. You need to think outside the box. There are so many things that you can sit down and think of. You can sell yogurt. Me, I sell yogurt. So these are just more like my yogurt business now. It's another new stream of me making more income. So if you don't know how these things, even if you don't know how to make them, you can go and research for it, attend classes, and use all these things to grow your business. You can sell yogurt, you can sell Greek yogurt, you can sell yogurt parfait. All these small things, by the time you mix them together, you're going to end up to 6 figures. If you're selling yogurt, you're selling Greek yogurt, you're selling parfait, that's the yogurt parfait, you're selling banana bread on the other side, you're selling cake parfait on the other side. By the time you bring this money together, you realize that you've sold more than 200,000 naira just selling these small things. Because the thing is, if they like your product, if they like these things you're selling, they want to order more from you. That's how this thing works. How about considering taking it to the supermarket and supply? All these things will affect your revenue. Guys, let's learn to think outside the box. If you're watching me right now, you sell even cake loaves. You can take it to the supermarket. Like yogurt, for instance, move on a daily basis. People like to drink yogurt. You can sell tiger nuts milk or drink and add it to your cake business. You mustn't be selling just cakes alone. If you know how to make this thing I've mentioned, why not start it and then take it outside? Look for visibility offline. Look for visibility around your premises. All these things will make you to have to earn monthly revenue on a monthly basis. By the time you start selling all these things, you'll be able to earn good 6 figures monthly. Trust me guys, I'm telling you from experience. So consider doing all these things if you're not making the kind of money you want to make on a monthly basis. You mustn't sell custom cakes. Custom cakes are really good, but if you notice that it's not really coming the way you want it to come, then try to expand, try to sell these baked products that I've mentioned. And if you're consistent with it, trust me guys, that sales will come. That monthly revenue that you have been looking for will definitely come. Okay, so guys, I'm going to stop here in this video. This is actually a very short video. I felt like I've been experiencing this, so I just felt like, okay, let me just come and share here, because I feel like people might be be interested in this video. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this particular content. I hope it makes sense to you. Please, if it does, kindly drop your comments and let me know what you think. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up guys. Like this video and also share this video to your different social media platforms, to your cake groups, where you belong, so that other people can also benefit from this video as well. So guys, I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and please hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified. Also turn on your notification bell so that you're going to be the first person to get notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. So guys, until next time, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.